On August 31st, 2025, powerful thunderstorms triggered flash flooding across Texas, impacting several major metropolitan areas. Houston faced the most severe impacts, with rainfall totals reaching up to 5 inches in some
Oh
locations.
my God.
Streets, underpasses, and major thoroughfares were submerged, leaving vehicles stranded. Interstates, such as I-45 and Loop 610, were underwater, forcing residents to seek higher ground. Neighborhoods in Harris County, Pasadena, and South Houston were hit especially hard, with water entering homes and apartments. Emergency responders worked tirelessly to rescue stranded motorists and evacuate residents, while public transportation routes were disrupted. The National Weather Service issued flash flood warnings, stressing the rapid rise of water and urging people to avoid unnecessary travel. In San Antonio, isolated rainfall totals reached 8 inches, flooding streets and creeks, especially along Salado Creek. Water rose quickly through low-lying neighborhoods, resulting in 2 fatalities and forcing drivers to abandon vehicles. Public services were delayed and multiple roads were closed. In Dallas, heavy rainfall overwhelmed storm drains in low-lying streets and intersections, causing temporary road closures and traffic disruptions. While flooding was less widespread, the event highlighted the vulnerability of urban infrastructure during short but intense downpours. Meteorologists explained that the flooding was driven by a slow-moving cold front interacting with abundant Gulf moisture. This setup produced storms that repeatedly passed over the same areas, a phenomenon known as training, which greatly intensified the flooding. Houston's flooding was made worse by its geography, clay-heavy soil, and rapid urbanization. Natural wetlands that once absorbed water have been replaced with concrete and pavement, funneling stormwater into streets and drainage systems. A 2017 report warned that many of Houston's older drainage ditches cannot handle even small storms, leaving entire neighborhoods at risk. Authorities urged residents to focus on safety and recovery, inspect homes for damage, clean up debris carefully, document losses for assistance, and remain alert to secondary hazards such as contaminated water, mold, and weakened structures. Families are advised to maintain emergency supplies, review evacuation routes, and stay updated with official alerts. This disaster underscores the growing challenge Texas, especially cities like Houston, faces in preparing for and responding to increasingly severe urban flooding.